Hey y'all, this is Vic. Hey, welcome to my channel. Hey, thank y'all so much for stopping in. Hey, today I'm gonna do a video of a lot of before and afters that of tools and stuff that I've redone that I just post on Instagram. I post a lot of stuff on there. Post on there probably more than a grown man should post on there. That's for sure. Seems like I put something out there every day, and a lot of it don't make it into YouTube. So it's just me out here doing what I like to do, and just video a little bit of before and after, and throw it out there. So follow me out there on Instagram if you're interested in any of that kind of stuff. I know all the other restoration fellers, they put a lot of stuff out there too, and it's cool to see all that doesn't make it in their videos. But hey, we reached 500. I want to thank all y'all. I appreciate every one of you. It still tickles me to death. I can't believe, other than my wife subscribing to me, I got more than one. So big thanks to all of the everybody that's helped me out along the way, man. Scout Crafter, Magdad, Resto Rob, John Fix, all of y'all. Y'all know who you are, and everybody else knows who you are, because if they follow me, they definitely follow, the Hall of Famers, as my new subscriber, Mr. Larry, had pointed out to me. So, and I think of them that way too. So, hey, and I know last week was Thanksgiving, and on Instagram they do a flat lay thing. It's where they take and lay, from what I'm getting, I've done it a few times, but you lay your tools down and take a flat picture or whatever. And they did a Black Friday one, and it was for black tools and stuff. And I was out here digging around and found a whole toolbox that I had done forgot about. I got this thing probably 8 or 9 months ago before I even started all this. And if you're interested in a tool haul video with it, you let me know. It's she's packed full. So I probably just opened it up, looked at it. I do know, look, there's a wizard that I would have had redone if I'd known that was in there. And but if you're interested in that, let me know. I'll do a tool haul video of that. And hey, thanks for everybody that checked on me, because my Bama boys, we stumbled down there on the plains, and but we held on and struggled and they came out on top. So that's always good. This weekend it's gonna be even more struggle. It's them dogs they're the big dogs. So we're gonna call them off the porch and round them up over in Atlanta, and have a grown man's football game over there. So anyways, hope my boys do well and roll tide. Enjoy the video. I hope y'all like this, and thank y'all again so much. I appreciate you. Videos like this, I bet they go with that. nice little punches. Three little punches. One 1/6/7 wrench. So other than those two, oh, them are always nice. I don't know. It's vice grip, but man, I don't know if I can get that clean.